Hi there, we have been cooking for a while. Today we'll make something slightly different. As you see in the thumbnail, yes, we're going to make bubble tea. Bubble tea is one of my favorite summer drinks, except that the store-made bubble teas typically are with more added sugar, which makes them less enjoyable for someone like me who always faces challenge in the weight area. So I've been thinking about creating a version with healthier ingredients and no added sugar. In addition to the tapioca balls, the supporting ingredients I picked are chia seeds, mung beans, honey, which substitutes sugar, and coconut milk. Both mung bean and chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, which can help with weight loss. And mung bean is a typical ingredient for summer soft drink in China due to its detox functions. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to boil the mung beans for about 20 minutes until at least some of the beans are open with inside out. If you don't like chewy texture in drinks, you can grind the beans after boiling. Next, we'll boil the tapioca balls. I highly recommend the cooked tapioca balls instead of raw, as it saves so much time. After they are boiled for about 3 minutes, we're going to soak them into cold water so they are not sticking together. We'll just soak it for 1 minute and put it aside, and then add the honey on top of it, and then soak them in honey for about 30 minutes. We'll cover it, put it aside, let it cool down as well. Add cold water to the chia seed, and then add the boiled mung bean soup into the chia seed, and let both of them sit there for 30 minutes. After cooling down for 30 minutes, it's time for assembly. First, we're going to add the tapioca balls into the cup, the mug. We're doing it in sequence so that you can get that cocktail feeling at the end, or the look, which is really beautiful. And then we're going to add the mung beans. You can add as much as you want to. I suggest you add a little bit. Some people do not like the texture or the taste, so try a little bit until you really like it, and then you can add more. And then we're going to add the chia seed, which is already soaked and expanded. Same thing, add however amount that you like. There's really no fixed amount. And then we add our favorite tea. I use black tea, you could use green tea, any taste you want to. On top of it, we're going to add about 4 tablespoons coconut milk. So this is a cold version without ice. You can also add ice into it, but I prefer the one without ice but cold, and that's why I let them cool down for a while. And then just add my straw in, and this is my beautiful drink for the summer. And sometimes I eat them, drink them just for lunch as well. Healthy, easier to make, delicious, no added sugar. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back next week or check out the other videos in my channel. Thanks so much.